So if you're gearing up for the New York Regents Biology exam, this could honestly change everything for you. We're about to break down a strategy that helps you unlock the points you absolutely deserve by showing what you actually know. Let's jump right in.
Does this sound familiar? You've memorized the organelles, you feel like you get homeostasis, you can even nail a Punnett square, but the second that test is in front of you, your mind just goes blank.
Well, if that's you, you are definitely not alone. And here's the secret. The problem probably isn't the biology you know. It's understanding how the test is asking you to prove it. This brings us to a really powerful idea from the system's creator, Dr. Rosalinda Bajolo. And honestly, this one sentence is the key to the whole thing. The command word determines the structure of the answer. Once you really get this, it's a total game changer. So what does that actually mean? Well, it means that hidden inside every single question is a map that tells you exactly how to build your answer to get full credit. And that map is the command word. And this right here, this is the tool that makes it all make sense, the command word ladder. See how it organizes questions into different levels of thinking? It goes from simple recall at the bottom all the way to complex reasoning at the top. The goal is simple, just match your level of thinking to the command word. Okay, so what exactly is a command word? It's really just the main verb in the question. Words like identify, describe, explain, or justify. You gotta think of each one as a direct order, telling you precisely what kind of answer to write. All right, let's actually climb this ladder. We're gonna break down a few of the key levels so you can really see how the thinking gets more and more complex as you move up. We're gonna start at the bottom, level 1. This is the simplest level. It's all about pure recall. When you see a command word like identify, state, label, or list, the exam is just asking you to name something or state a fact you've already memorized. Easy peasy. For a level 1 question, what you need to do is simple. Just give the answer. The biggest mistake students make here is overwriting. You'll lose points by writing a whole paragraph when all you needed was one word. Seriously, keep it simple. So, for example, if the question is, identify the organelle responsible for energy production, the answer isn't a long explanation about ATP. It's just one word, mitochondria. That's it. Full credit. Move on. Now, moving up to level 2, things start to get more interesting. This level is all about reasoning. You'll see command words like explain, predict, or compare. Now, the test doesn't just want to know what happens, it wants you to explain why it happens. Your answer has to connect the what to the why. And the magic word for a level 2 answer is because. I mean it. If your answer doesn't connect a cause to an effect using a word like because or since or something similar, you're probably not answering the question correctly. You have to build that logical bridge for the grader. Okay, let's leap all the way to the top of the ladder, level 5. This is where you get to show off your highest level of scientific thinking. With command words like evaluate, justify, or support, you're not just a student anymore. You're being asked to act like a scientist and build a full argument. A really strong level 5 answer has a very specific 3-part structure. First, you make a clear claim. Then, you pull specific evidence directly from the data or the diagram provided in the question. And finally, you use your biology knowledge as reasoning to link that evidence back to your claim. Say it with me. Claim, evidence, reasoning. So this command word ladder is a super powerful tool, right? And it fits perfectly into a larger strategy for tackling any question on the exam. It's called the Bajolo framework. This framework gives you 6 clear steps to follow for any question. You start by breaking down the question to find that command word. Then you analyze any data they give you. After that, you justify your answer, organize your thinking, and link it all back to the core biology concepts before you finally output your answer clearly. It's a complete system. So what does all this really mean for you? It means changing your mindset. You're not just a student trying to remember a bunch of facts for a test. You are a thinker, a problem solver, a scientific communicator. And as Dr. Bajolo says, this is totally within reach for everybody. Every student can succeed in science with the right guidance, consistent practice, and belief in their ability to grow. This system right here, this is that guidance. Ultimately, this is the big idea I want you to walk away with. The Regents exam is not a test of what you can remember. It's a platform for you to show how you think. Every question is an opportunity. So the real question is, what are you going to build with your answer?